Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Christian County, northwestern Douglas County, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts. Expected hazards: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nixa, Ozark, Sparta, Bruner, Belknap, Keltner, Moorfield, and Darwood. This includes the following low-water crossings: Riverdale Road at Finley Creek and Rockview and Pedello Creek northeast of Sparta. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian